Let's talk about Clearwater's newest ultra-luxury condo project, the Viceroy Residences. Designed by Randall Stoft and interiors by Stephen G., these tandem 9-story towers will offer 86 private Gulf-front residences, including 8 incredible penthouses. The project is scheduled for completion in 2028, so now is a great time to get in at pre-construction pricing. The developer has gone the extra mile to hurricane-proof the building, including raising the first floor to 18 feet above sea level and incorporating natural gas-powered generators, but the real selling point of the Viceroy is the 5-star amenities and the white glove service. Here, residents can enjoy a permanent vacation lifestyle. There's even a private restaurant on the property that's off limits to the public. The towers will have 13 unique floor plans, which are currently ranging from $2 million to $12 million. This location and high-level services put the Viceroy head and shoulders above the competition, and I'm very excited to see the finished product.